Asia is absolutely a source of innovation in the consumer electronics marketplace, in particular for portable devices like are manufactured using SigmaTel devices. Examples of that are we see throughout Asia, be it in industrial design here in China, industrial design that we see in Korea, small manufacturing done in our design done in Japan. So it has to do with the size of the device with the industrial design. Has to do with new features and functions. As an example is with each of these players that we're in portable media players, the advent of video on these players started really in China long before it moved into the U.S. or in Western Europe. The real strengths of the companies have to do with just is expertise in design, expertise in manufacturing, and also being very close to the customers and what they see in terms of understanding not only what the domestic markets require and need, which is also very important, but also understanding what do the other markets need on a worldwide basis. So I believe that one, it's good market intelligence on the part of the manufacturers here and the designers here in Asia, number one. And then number two is also scale. And what I mean by that is not just the ability to manufacture, but also the capital needed to also be able to support this type of growth in the industry and the size of the industry that it is today. Again, I think what's very important is what we see is that a lot of our customers have recognized there's many different markets in the world today. And there's very, very specialized by geography, they're specialized by the distribution channels within each of the different markets. So it's understanding that first and understanding just what's going to be important to be able to define and to design the right products. So I think that's number one. Number two is also understanding within each of the market segments what is the right, both not only just features, but also what's important on price. And being able to be able to get the right set of features for the right price points for each individual marketplace. So it's understanding market segmentation, and it's understanding how to best serve each particular segment, not only on feature but also on price. We really believe that innovation, again, in a number of cases, has actually already started here in Asia, but we see that continuing to evolve. We see that continuing to evolve also as driven by the local markets. You look at the consumer base represented in China by itself. You look at the consumer base and the demands of markets, whether it be in Japan or whether it be in Korea, as an example, that are driving innovation. So the demands of those consumers, we believe, help set the trends and direction on a worldwide basis. So we think that if being able to serve those local markets is something that then can serve these companies well to be able to expand into worldwide markets.